Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is our day 34 of our coding series, and today we gonna solve this problem which is related to vowels. Okay, so let's see what exactly we need to do in here. And if you want to go through this problem, you can pause the video and give a good read to this problem. Meanwhile, let's see what we understood from this problem. So basically, given a lower Latin alphabet character, the task is to determine whether it is a vowel or not. Now, what are vowels? So vowels are basically these characters A, E, I, O and U. What is happening over here is basically a user is giving us an input. Okay, we need to determine if it is a vowel or not. So if it falls under A, E, I, O, U, then it's a vowel, otherwise it's a consonant. Okay, so let's see the input and output pattern, what we need to expect. Okay, so if our input is A, then the output we are getting is 1. So this means that when A is basically a vowel, right? So if we are providing a vowel, then we are getting 1. And let's see the input 2. So here the input is B. When we are giving B, we are getting output as 0. So this means that when we are providing some character other than vowel, so we need to return 0. Okay, so this is pretty much clear that if the character provided by the user is a vowel, then we need to return this one, otherwise we need to return 0. Okay, so let's see how we gonna approach this problem. So first we will take the input character from the user, then we basically check if that character is a vowel or not. If it matches with any of these characters, then it's a vowel. So in that scenario we will return 1, and if it doesn't matches, then it means it's a consonant and we need to return 0. Now return the result obtained from the vowel check. Okay, so I think this is pretty straightforward. So let's write the code for this. Okay, so we have wrote our code over here. So what we basically doing, we are taking a character from the user. Okay, then we are passing this character to our isVowel function. Okay, so over here you can see this is our in isVowel function, and we are passing this character over here. So now we are checking if that character matches with any of these keywords, that is A, E, I, O, U. So if it is matching with any of them, then we need to return true, else we are returning 0. Sorry, we need to return 1 and then we are returning 0. So let's run this and see what output we are getting. So let's see. So here we are passing A, so in that scenario we will get 1, and for B we are getting 0. So let's give it a A, and we are getting 1. Okay, now let's give it B, which is not a vowel, and we are getting 0. So it is giving us the expected results. Okay, so I hope you understood this problem approach, but the optimized approach is even better, because here you can see that we are wasting a lot of time writing this code. So what we can do here is we can instead use a set. Okay, and then we can directly take the user input. Okay, and then we can directly compare it with the set. So if that particular user input is inside that set, then we can return true 1, otherwise we will return 0. So let's see the optimized approach. Okay, so we have wrote our optimized approach as well. So let's see what we are doing. So okay, before that let's do one more thing. So we are doing same thing. We are taking the character from the user, we are passing it to isVowel variable, and here is our isVowel function. So here we are passing it to the function. So this is our character. Now we have created the set. Okay, now we are checking if our character is inside this set. If yes, then we need to, so this is exactly the thing, if char is in the vowels, so if it is inside the set, okay, we are returning 1, else we are returning 0. Okay, let's see if it is working or not. So let's give it a vowel, that is A, and we are getting 1. And let's give it some non-vowel character, that is B, and we are getting 0. And there you have it. We have tackled the vowel problem in Python. And remember, coding is all about breaking down the problems into small and manageable steps. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Python programming content. See you in the next video.